Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today in this video, I'm going to be creating two gorgeous home decor pieces. I'm going to be using these two vases that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to just create something for the springtime. I absolutely love this shape right here. And I'm also going to be using these small bowls. I'm going to be creating two ginger jars. So I'm going to get started. While you're here, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a new video. So I'm just going to take this plastic spoon that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to spoon the paint into the small dish. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to turn it upside down and allow it to continue to drain into a plastic bag. It's been about 2 days later and I've already cleaned off any residue, so the vase now is ready to be decorated, and I'm going to start with the top. I'm going to add this beautiful gold chunky trim that I picked up from Amazon, and I'm just going to apply it to the outer perimeter. I'm going to use this sparkly diamond-like trim. I got this from Amazon, and I'll leave the link below. So guys, it looks really nice here, but I just want to let you know that the top does slip around a little bit. So what I'm going to show you, my little trick is I like to take a little bit of hot glue, just apply it to the inside of the top, and using the hot nozzle, I'll thin out the hot glue, making it very thin so that it won't slide and move around when it's on top of the vase. And guys, that's it. That's the project. I just wanted to give you an idea of what these vases look like before I decorated them. They really look nice, just plain and clear. But I absolutely love them both decorated. So guys, you let me know what you think in the comments section. And I want to thank you all so much for joining me today. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe. And you stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.